isang tagumpay, yeah. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga, nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na subok. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na subok. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Huwag ka matakot, kaya mo bang akyatin ang mundo? Bawat bukas may pag-asa sa'yo, yeah. Ito ang tulay ng tagumpay para lumakas ang iyong loob, MPBL, araw mo na, laro na to. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Junior, MPBL, ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga, nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod.
Start of our game number 6 dito sa Manny Pacquiao's Junior MPBL Battle of Champions. Live tayo sa Banana Court in Las Piñas. Baron Mercado covering the action. And we are in sa ating under 18 division, a matchup between Zamboanga and the Bataan Almuete camp na first time nating mako-cover, talking about Bataan. Meanwhile for Zamboanga, na-cover na natin sila kahapon. Though on a losing effort, we have seen a couple of players that can really step it up for this squad. Mainly, itong si JM Malaay. Ganda ng kanyang performance. Speaking of which, there he is, JM Malaay, receiving that round of applause after that alley-oop play. One of the more solid players for Zamboanga. Kanina yung kanilang mga under 14 brethren hindi pinalad kontra Laguna. Tignan natin if mabawi ba ng mga kuya yung pagkatalo ng kanilang mga kapatid in the under 14. And all the way, one of the players really unconscious, I should say. Itong si Hubert Lozano getting that steal and a basket and another takeaway. Malaay lays that ball in. What did I tell you about JM Malaay? A quick timeout para dito sa Bataan. Obviously outnumbered, pero tignan natin if they can shake it off.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior MPBL para sa'yo, ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to.
Eight to 2. What a start for Zamboanga. They came out with a lot of energy. Gustong makakuha ng panalo at that time. And one opportunity para dito kay Johnson. Making that a basket to go and one. Basket didn't go in on the bonus. 8 to 4 ang ating score. Again, solid ng simula ng Zamboanga Lambo Construct. Here's Hubert. Couldn't hit on that shot. Now on the run. Bataan players wearing white and green. Muntik nang makakuha ng opportunity to score here. Johnson gives it to his big down low. At magiging challenge to para sa Zamboanga. Looking to contain this big guy over here. Towering over everyone. As you see, Timbol at the free throw area. Head and shoulders above all. Kaya if you are Zamboanga, need to box out, need to gang rebound. Yun ang term natin dito na ginagamit. Just play your team game, especially inside. And if you're Bataan, if you have that shot, if you have some open looks, don't be afraid to, take those dahil meron kayong big guy in a team ball that can control the glass. But so far, Zamboanga still up by 4. And compared to their last game, talking about Zamboanga, I believe they faced off against Laguna Impact. That is really a good team led by Coach Luis San Buenaventura. They came out today with a lot of energy, more positive outlook as Hubert cleans the rim. Lozano makes that basket count. 10 to 4 ang ating score dito. As they look to make a steal, nakawala, left side shot, team ball, di makakakuha ng putback but the foul was downstairs. Again, need to control every rebound, need to control every possession. (10 to 4). De Los Santos couldn't hit that shot. Ang bola babalik dito sa Zamboanga Lambo Construct. 6-point lead as early as now ini-establish ng Zamboanga. Nakapasok lang Sam Takbobo. He has that outside shot na pwedeng mag-init para dito sa Zamboanga. On their last game has hit a couple of threes in his name. Let's see if he can add more points into this one. Timbol will lose the possession. Pero last touch, I believe, will be on Zamboanga. Of course, wearing their blue jerseys. Looking for that alley-oop play. Read perfectly on the run. Nice pass by Sam. All the way. Taking it home, Kent Anggong. Ito rin. Naging solid yung kanyang performance yesterday. But was a bit too much yung kanilang nakalaban if I am not mistaken. But they will get the possession right away. Anggong will not save it or make it to a Sam. Anggong, I should say, on that one. 12-24. De Los Santos making that shot count. 12-6 is the score with 4 minutes 30 remaining. Wait a minute, Hubert Lozano now has shown the range from the outside. 15-6 ang ating score. Muntika na naman sila Sir Wendell, Ma'am Chi, and of course Madam MC watching this Battle of Champions. Johnson looking to grind the ball here. Jumper that won't fall. A tap, mapupunta sa kampo ng Zamboanga. Another one, Kent Anggong. 17-6 ang ating score. Again, 17-6 ang ating score as Camilo, I believe, will have a violation called on their name. Only, 6-7 players para dito sa Bataan today. Meanwhile, for Zamboanga, you see the platoon squad there waiting for their numbers to be called. Takbobo, balik dito kay Anggong. Here's Sam looking to create, sends it out. Lozano can unconscious every time he has the ball. Muntik na makakuha ng 3-point play, but there's a foul call. (17-6) ang ating tally. Knocks it down itong si Hubert Lozano. Can heat up in an instant. He is really a definition of a streaky shooter. Pag nag-init sobra, pag medyo maalat, maybe taking a bit time to heat up. But so far having a solid start. Jumper from that corner left hand area. Two minutes 30 remaining. 18-8. Here's Lozano. 2 3-pointers. And you know he's having a good game when he starts pulling up from way past the 3-point area. Showing us that range. Making that adjustment to no avail. Nice rebound on the side of Malay. A 3-on-5 break. What a layup on that one. Sam Takbobo this time converting on that alley-oop play. 23-8. Solid start. Johnson kisses it off the glass. 23-10. Didiskarte once again. Anggong. Balik dito kay Sam. Takbobo. Lozano all alone. Third three of the game. He is really catching fire as early as the first quarter. Bataan. No choice but to call time.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior MPBL para sa'yo, ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino.
Off the timeout, a steal. Hubert Lozano will not handle that rock. Makukuha ba? Balik ang bola sa Bataan. But what a quarter for Zamboanga as a team. Again, ibang-iba yung diskarte, ibang-iba yung kanilang energy when they entered this game and set things off. This is a different team. Wish they found this version sooner dito sa ating tournament, going all the way. Bitin yung layup attempt, sends it out. High looper, carrying that basket to go. ang abante. Here's De Los Santos creating some space, spin, no good. Follow up, better defense. Nakapitan sa likod. I believe that was Mike Casas will be assessed with that foul. .6 remaining here in the opening quarter. Gets that rebound. Didn't get it in. Final 22 seconds remaining. Zamboanga looking to cap off their solid first quarter on how they will end this possession. Balik ang bola sa Bataan. Can they score though before the end of the first? Nakawala. Good handoff. Hindi makakakuha ng puntos, but there's a foul called on that play. So Gallias will be at the line. Gets that friendly bounce. Gallias again. 1 out of 2. 2 seconds to go. Masyadong mataas lang yung pass at that time for Kent Anggong. But regardless, Zamboanga having a superb start, up by 17, 28-11. Let's see if Bataan Almuete Camp can rally in the second quarter.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior MPBL para sa'yo, ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan.
In and out yung atake ni Lozano as we begin our second quarter. 17-point game. Make it a 19-point game favoring Zamboanga. Again, a solid start for these players. Best start I have seen them. Again, since yesterday, they are more active and more determined to make a statement, make a win in this under-18 division. Kent Anggong finds an opening on the left. What a finish. Just continue to rally down the points. 32-11. Again, under 18 po ang ating contest dito. 32-11. (32-11) pa rin. Jumper didn't go in. Turn around. Basket is good. Two minutes have passed dito sa ating second quarter. Again, Bataan finally getting something on their offense. And Juan Galias went straight up and got that basket to go. Jumper, that is off the mark. Galia secures that rebound, 20-point lead, looking to make a space. Nice bump, Galias with back-to-back mix. So unti-unti nang nagpapakilala dito si Galias for Bataan. Let's see if that energy can rub off sa kanyang mga akampi with the 7 minutes 18 remaining. Going for that swing action, looking for that cross. Gert Paradero will lose the ball. Here we go. Merong foul na itatawag, and for Bataan, finally getting that rhythm, finally getting that mood. Let's see if this will continue, and that is why bago magpunta ang Bataan on that free throw area, ta-timeout muna itong Zamboanga. Tingnan natin kung paano sila makaka-recover dito when we return.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior MPBL para sa'yo, ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap.
7 minutes remaining. 18-point lead para dito sa Zamboanga. Yung kanilang opensiba medyo bumagal in this second quarter. Unlike how they start off that first quarter, they were really on a blitz. Everyone just getting in line, getting their grooves and energies in. Offense and defense, just one way to do it. On the run, Sam with that handoff. Beautiful finish. So back to 20. So if you are Bataan, continue to draw up some fouls. That is the fourth team foul para dito sa Zamboanga. Once again, Galias being really aggressive early on the second quarter and will be really a problem if hindi makakuha ng solusyon itong Zamboanga. Camilo sends it to Galias for 3. That is off the mark. We'll go one more time. Here's Sam Takbobo on that bump. Will it be on the act of shooting? I believe no. It will be a baseline or a sideline inbound for Zamboanga. Takbobo once again will direct traffic. Finds an open spot in the middle. JM Malaay scoring on that jumper. 38-16. with 5:25 remaining. Balik ang bola dito sa Zamboanga after some glimpse para dito kay Galias for Bataan. Just couldn't continue the ball rolling. Another jumper for Malaay. In, makes it back to back. John Mark J.M. Malaay has at least 8 to 10 points already. De Los Santos bitin yung kanyang reverse. Johnson with a tap. Balik ang bola sa Bataan. Galias answers with a jumper right in front of me here on this left side corner. 40-18. Tiknang mawala ang possession. Another opportunity. Malaay drives this time. JM Malaay now starting to take over dito sa ating second quarter. Looking to make one more push. Johnson this time bulldozes his way in. Here's Timbol, blocked from behind. So if I am Bataan, would love to utilize that size of Timbol. .345 remaining. Ball is on the side of Galias once again. 3 this time. Shadow malakas. Johnson. There you go. Just keep on doing that. They have the advantage size-wise. You have Timbol, you have Johnson that can bang bodies down low. 42-20. Ball will be on the side here. Emergency pass goes in. JM Malaay again showing us that even off the bench, kapag tapos ng pahinga, kaya pa rin mag-produce. Nice close on that block. Sam weren't able to convert on that last play. But credits to Mike Casas for making that block. .45-20. 25-point lead Johnson. Shadow malakas yung kanyang tira. And now a chance to run once again. Looking to break free. Finding some open space. Follow-up is in. Missed by Anggong. JM Malaay. Just adding points. Adding insults here on the side. 47-20. De Los Santos knocks down the first free throw. Makes it both. Two minutes 23 in this contest. 47-22 jumper this time. That is Jomari Malay making that corner jumper. Naka-contribute ng a couple of rebounds early, now getting a field goal to go with that rebound. A 3. Camilo misfires on that shot. Running out of space, recovered by Zamboanga. Takbobo, nice screen by Malaay, feeding up. Sam Takbobo A subtle Gortat screen made there. 51 to 22. Nice recovery. Again, this is what separated Zamboanga in that first quarter, making another basket. Meanwhile, for Bataan, still couldn't find the rhythm, couldn't find the touch for them. 53 to 22. Again, Galias is the lone bright spot for this Bataan squad. Another turnover. Now Sam Takbobo all the way. Approaching the final minute. 55 to 22. Now looks to attack. Delos, or I should say, a miss on that attempt. I believe that was Enrile making that play. On the drive, Malay, jumper again on the same spot. Kent Anggong making those basket counts. Just points keep on flowing. Final 30 seconds to go. Camilo De Los Santos, spin. Johnson with a fake. Nice find. Wasn't ready itong si De Los Santos. Inches closer for two. 57 to 24. Final 10 seconds remaining. Sam Takbobo looks at the clock, sees 5. Goes on the attack, that split floater is in. 59 first half points. Impressive Zamboanga Lambo construct. Bataan really having some trouble in this game. We are at halftime.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior MPBL para sa'yo, ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior MPBL para sa'yo, ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan.
.59 to 24 to start off our second half of action. All Zamboanga so far, yung mga kababayan natin from Zamboanga. I'm sure tuwang-tuwa sa performance ng Zamboanga Lambo Construct, especially on what happened, of course, dun sa kanilang under 14 na bigong makakuha ng panalo. Pero tignan natin dito, so far they're looking good as Malay gets that jumper. Jomari enters the scoring fray. .61 to 24. Tuloy-tuloy pa rin ang opensa, lalo na ang depensa ng Zamboanga. They kept on running and now feeding them off. Kian Huggins scores on that one. Kian enters the game, scores, I believe, his first 4 points of the ball game. And now we're seeing just a blowout for today. 63-26. The Discarte rejected by the board and Galas defense. Tatakbo ulit itong Bataan looking to make something on that offensive. .757 remaining. Got that basket to go in. .750 dito sa ating third quarter action. Malay, Jomari talking about him having a good game. Huggins missing on that three. Getting that offensive rebound, looking to recover. And now pushing the pace. Goes all the way, bitin para dito kay Galias. And now pushing it in transition. Spin. Jay Malay will get that one. Jomari will not count on that basket. Pero traveling ata or an offensive foul ang itatawag. .63-28 ang ating score dito with 6:50 remaining. Going to make their push. Huggins, mawawala sa kanila ang bola doon because of that defense. Meribelis also has checked in. Talking about Gian. So if you're Bataan, just play this one again. A possession at a time. That's always the secret of cutting into a lead. Just continue to make smart plays. Di tulad nung last play na yon kanina, was a bit too far yung pasa. Masyadong masikip for an area na medyo may espasyo naman. So those are the things that these players from Bataan are needing to learn. Missing on that three. Timbol getting that pass to Galias. Stepping through for the jumper de Los Santos. Sends it home. 63-60. 5:40 remaining into this contest. Gonna go for that pick. Looking to attack. Looks for that scoop. Di makakakuha. .63-30, make it 65-30, a 35-point game. 4:50 remaining dito sa ating third quarter. Another steal. Nice recovery. Inside play. Basket is in for John Michael Malaay. So may John Mark Malaay. There's also John Michael Malaay. So we'll refer to John Michael Malaay as Michael or Mike Malaay for simplicity. So both Malaay players scoring here para dito sa Zamboanga. They're just having a field day, having a good day. Ay itong Zamboanga. Mike, nice find, looking for that extra pass. Medyo na-excite. Reynan Abalye getting some playing time. 67 to 32, hands it off and go. Gets that basket to go is Kent Agong. 3:40 remaining. 6-9 to 3-2 is the score. We'll be right back.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior MPBL para sa'yo, ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, klaro.
6-9 to 3-2 is our tally here. Zamboanga taking full control. .310 remaining. Looking at that jumper by De Los Santos, I should say, couldn't get it, and Galias just continues to put the points on the board. If you're Zamboanga, again, a chance for the other players to step up in this contest. Looking to make that cross, that spin, sends it out, a 3 on the way. Mike Malaay couldn't convert on that one. Nice save. One hand floater. Nagbabalik. Hubert Lozano started his attack on the opening quarter. Had 3 3-pointers on his belt. Really hasn't scored since. Pero grabe naman yung kanyang impact na naipakita dito. And one of the players din, John Mark Malaay, JM, really done damage this time on the second quarter. Kent Agong really is impressive so far. As we are in the 2-minute mark of our third quarter, 71 to 34. Couldn't get that jumper. Galias will be rejected. And now pushing the pace of finish. Mike will score. Mike Malaay with that jumper to go. Galias count that baby in and one. So far for Bataan, it's only one player na nagkakaroon ng damage, nagbibigay ng opensa para sa kanila. So again, for them, really need to utilize Johnson and Tim Bolmore. Talking about Bataan. Camilo, kanina sumusubok naman, but really couldn't find that rhythm. Maybe this is the time to get things going. As Camilo picks it up and converted that 2-point play to a 4-point play. Mike Malaay kisses it off the glass. A minute remaining here on this third quarter. Rundown, put back, good. Hubert Lozano just running away here. 78 to 38. Galias couldn't hang in that air. We'll go for this one. 40 seconds to go. Nakasingit pa. $50 to 38. A traveling call on the side of Bataan. $80 to 38. All dominant performance here. Ken Zamboanga really knows how to pick up yung kanilang mga pagkatalo, no, especially in this Battle of Champions. Now they are making a statement as Timbol goes on that attack. Tatawagan ng foul itong si Jomari. (80-38), knocking that free throw itong si Timbol. Final 13 seconds remaining. Mike Malaay naka-score ng a couple of baskets early. Masyadong minadali naman that time. Ian Palis, ball is thrown. De Los Santos, kahit yung mga ganun kadadaling tira, couldn't take it, but that shot to end the buzzer, that goes in. Really a shocker there para sa ating laro for today. Easy shots not falling, harder shots tend to go in. As we are at the end of the third quarter, Zamboanga up here by 39. Magbabalik po kami.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga
80-41 ang ating score dito. Start of the fourth quarter. Tignan natin kung paano tatapusin ng Zamboanga yung kanilang masterful performance in our 6th game of the day dito sa Manny Pacquiao's Junior MPBL Battle of Champions. Meanwhile, on the side of Bataan, let's see how will they react on this loss, kung paano sila babawi in a couple of minutes. Will they let Zamboanga roll and pass through, or they will make a defensive stand and make it a bit more harder for these players from Zamboanga to get this victory? I know malayo na yung score dito, but for Bataan, again, they can make a statement na purkit ganito nakalayo yung ating talaan, hindi nyo ganito kabilis makukuha ang panalo. After this contest, it will be back to the under 21. Yung Cebu City of Bogo na nanalo kahapon, really impressive team, will face CDO. Lambo Construct naman na unfortunately natalo sila against Leyte na tinalo naman ng Cebu. So that will be an interesting coverage, interesting game. Tignan natin kung yung Cebu can make it 2 in a row or makabawi, maka-adjust na kaya itong CDO. Pero so far for today, a 40-point lead, and Hubert Lozano just rolls the ball on that play. Gets a steal, gets a 3, 5-0 run. A quick response for Lozano. He's really the player to watch out for, as two players chasing it. Ang Kong getting that basket. . 80 to 41, a steal. Here's Paradero, will contribute for his team. 92 points already. Gallias on the other side, getting that roll. Again, dominant itong Zamboanga. Just getting into this game. Hubert sends it for a clean jumper. That is short. A chance to run. Here is De Los Santos on a runaway. to 47. Timeout muna tayo. All Zamboanga in this game.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior MPBL para sa'yo, ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa ikaw ang
Still, Lozano catching fire. 93 to 47. With 6 minutes to go. Waiting on the wings, yung CDO, naghahanda na sila to play for that game against City of Cebu. And these players from Bataan getting things across. 93 to 48. Just these two teams getting their reps in. 93 points already. Tignan natin kung dadagdag ang Zamboanga sa makakascore ng 100 dito sa ating tournament. So far, I believe meron lamang dalawa na naka-score ng 100 points into our Battle of Champions as Hubert Lozano. He is feeling it. Kit Picasso loving the range of Hubert Lozano. Even I reacting on that long-range bomb. 96 to 53. Isa pa for Lozano. He's just having fun. Talking about Hubert Lozano. When he is hot, he is blazing. Pang ilang 3 points niya na yan? I think 6 or 7? He had a couple in the first quarter. He had 3, I believe. He had a couple in the third. In the fourth also. Looking to make things on the other side here. And Kit Picasso just enjoying the action. That range is really immaculate. Para dito kay Lozano, 99 points na ang meron dito. Ito nga, Zamboanga. 3 minutes 40 to go. A lot of basketball to be played. Marami pa tayong makikita. Malay natin, Lozano will extend that range, will show us that he can do more 99-55 ang ating total. Lozano, he's been a man possessed. Another three. Go! Oh my goodness! Kahit yung mga players ng Cebu City of Bogo, just in amusement, in amazement on this Lozano heat check moment. Nice answer. Nakakalaban ang Bataan on that shooting, but again, look out. I have a feeling we will have a hit check moment. De Los Santos now keeping in pace. That's a good defense, but better read by Lozano, not only shooting the basketball, but also playing defense on that last play. 2 minutes 10. Looking to make some plays here. Right in front of Sir Wendell and company. Lozano has what? 3 straight 3-pointers. He will hold on for this ball. And again, a surefire for our best player of the game. Lozano attacks. Medyo bitin ang Pectus with a minute 35 remaining. Goes for that shot. That won't fall. Won't work. Here we go on that drive. That's a good statement on the side of Bataan. Another good defensive play for them. Can they take advantage? Maybe a bit too late on that pass para kay De Los Santos. Dribbling violation na ang tawag. Just a final couple of moments here as Johnson will finish the layup there. Final few moments. Will we see one more shot para dito kay Lozano? Lazy pass on that last play. As a Palias. Kala ko dadakdak. But just rolling the ball in there. 102 points. Not bad for Zamboanga Lambo Construct. And just putting the ball in. Congratulations, Zamboanga, winning a game today in the most impressive way we can think of. All starting off here with an amazing first quarter display. Rim grazer to end our game. It was Hubert Lozano stealing the show in the fourth quarter, showing his range 104-64. 6th game is done. 7th game on your way. Balik tayo sa under 21 division.
Liga